Meaning of facility.
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 Facility. Facility refers to a building or premise designed for a particular purpose, such as manufacturing, production, storage, education, or recreation. It can also refer to a skill or ability that someone possesses, which enables them to accomplish tasks with ease and efficiency. The term is often used in the context of businesses, where it may refer to a physical location where goods or services are produced, or to the equipment and resources necessary for the production of said goods and services. Overall, facility encompasses both physical structures and functional capabilities that aid in the achievement of specific goals.